In this video, we are going to explore WordPress and make a simple blog site from it. I have had a WordPress account few years ago, but I have not used it to create anything good from it. Once I tried making a site, but then I dropped the plan. Now I'm revisiting WordPress again as they have revamped the UI for it. They have introduced block-based web page editor in WordPress. This was introduced a few years back, but kept the classic editor for those who wanted to use that. Now I felt like trying it out as they are completely removing. This was one of the older site that I had created then, but there was nothing in there, so I decided to make a new site. So this is the site for our YouTube channel, just for fun, nothing. I mean, nothing serious, just for trying this out. So I chose a free account with a free WordPress URL, and as you can see, there are a lot of free designs available, but I chose to go with the uh, plain canvas. Then I chose the free plan and try to build something and try it out. So in the plain canvas itself, there are different patterns available for the pages. So I chose one for the home page, and right off the back you can see that there are a lot of pre-made templates that are available, and you can easily customize them. And just like any other like text change, you can just uh, change the content there then and there itself, and what you see is what you get. So it's a quick way to make a website. So to change the link of the button, you can just go to the advanced section. In the link rel, you can enter the URL and just change the text in the button, and you can directly set the width of the button in the settings of that block, that is the button block. So everything is block based, so it's quite easy to do. Then images, WordPress as of now has direct integration with pexels, so you can choose the open source photos that are available in pexels.com and without any copyright issues. So that's a good thing. So in this block based design, changes are relatively quick to make, since there is settings right there in the right panel. You can make the changes instantly and see it reflected in the page. There are a lot of pre-built blocks that are available, so you can see there are a lot of blocks and the patterns corresponding to it. So for in this case, I want a contact form there at the end of the page. So you can just drag and drop the contact page. So if you preview the site, you can see that whatever changes that we did in the block editor, it's reflected there. And the site is quite responsive as well, not very responsive, but it's okay, it works. So you can see the contact us text is not correct, but it works. So when we click update and we preview the site, you can see all the changes that has been here has been launched. So when we click the launch site on the top, it will just launch the site. So we need to add the blog now. So we'll add a page, and we'll go to the blog section and choose a template from there, and we'll do basic text changes just like we did in the other sections. So now itself it's looking quite good, and you can see there is a from the blog section there, but there is no blog. So we'll go into the admin panel. So it's the site URL/admin, and we'll go into the uh, post section. So that's where we make a blog post, and when we go there, we get a blank canvas here there also. So you can add heading tags and uh, paragraph tags to make your blog. So you can see that for heading there are a lot of options available. There are h2 h1, and there is inline code editor, and you can edit it as html. So there are a lot of options available for text changes such. uh, so say if you want to add an image, we can directly go into the image block and add it there. So you can see that there are a lot of pre-built blocks. So there is blocks for layout, there is blocks for RSS feed, there is a block for getting the latest posts, and there are integration with Spotify, Vimeo, YouTube, and all other a lot of premium integration like receiving payments from PayPal. Those are also available here. So we'll just embed a YouTube video from my channel just to see how it looks. So if you preview that, you can see that all the changes that we did there has been reflected, and it has a quite good look. This post has been loaded in the blog page itself, and it's quite seamlessly integrated. So if you hit publish, it will be reflected throughout the page. Now let's visit the admin panel and take a look at all those things that are available there. So you can see in the plugin section there are a lot of plugins that are available, but this is for the premium package and not for free package. So we are currently using the blank theme, but there are a lot of themes that are available, so that on one click itself it will update the whole site based on how we want it. So in the post section you can see the post that we just created. So we can choose WordPress when we have to make a small site, and we not intend to build a lot of custom design, as there are pre-built options available here. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do let me know, and thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.